Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lavade. Today is 19th of October 2022 and the topic for the today's video is file classes in Java and its method. So this is my first or original video in this topic. So the file class is Java's representation of a file or a directory path name because file and directory names have different formats on different platforms. A simple string is not adequate to name them. So the file class contains several methods for working with the path name, deleting and renaming files, creating new directories, listing the contents of a directory, and determining several common attributes of file and directories. So it is an abstract representation of files and directory path names. A path name where abstract or in-string form can be either absolute or relative. So the parent of an abstract path name may be obtained by invoking the getParent method of this class. So first of all, we should create the file class object by passing the file name or directory name to it. File system may implement restriction to certain operation on the actual file system object such as reading, writing and executing. These restrictions are collectively known as access permissions. So instances of the file class are immutable. That is, once created, the abstract path name represented by a file object will never change. So the file class have several methods for working with directories and files, such as creating new directories or files, deleting and renaming directories or files, listing the contents of a directory, etc. Now we will see the fields of Java class file. So the first is modifier, then the type, then field and description. So the static string path separator, and it is system dependent path separator character represented as a string for convenience. Then static string separator, it is system dependent default name separator character represented as a string for convenience. Then static char separator char, so it is the system dependent default name separator character. Now we will see the constructors. So the first is file, in parameter file parent and string child. So it creates a new file instance from a parent abstract path name and a child path name string. Then file string path name, so it creates a new file instance by converting given path name string into an abstract path name. Then file in parameter string parent and string child, so it creates a new file instance from a parent path name string and a child path name string. Then the file in parameter URI, that is URI, so it creates a new file instance by converting the given file URI into an abstract path name. Now we will see the methods of Java class file. So the first is create temp file, and in parameter string prefix and string suffix. So it creates an empty file in the default temporary file directory using the given prefix and suffix to generate its name. Then the next is create new file. So it automatically creates a new empty file name by this abstract path name if and only if a file with this name does not yet exist. Then can write. Then it tests whether the application can modify the file denoted by this abstract path name string array. Then the next is can read. So it tests whether the application can read the file denoted by the abstract path name. Then is absolute, it tests whether its abstract path name is absolute. And is directory, it tests whether the file denoted by this abstract path name is a directory. So this is all about the Java class file and its method. Thank you.